Who is drunk? Who is a drunkard? This lady over here named Doe. Doe, did you drink this bottle? Dodo? Or this other one here named Gain. Gain? Huh? Did you drink this one? Gain? No, you did not. You push it away. Gain? Huh? How about you, Jade? Did you also drink that one? Huh? What is that? A white one? Huh? What is that? Huh? Jade.